Hi there, I hope that you're doing fine. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download the Kuccps admission letters for 2025. And in this example, we'll be using Mount Kenya University for those students who are joining in September. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing is to visit MKU website. And when you are on the website, you can read more about MKU Kuccps placement. But I want you to click on this link that is going to lead us to a portal where we are going to download our admission letter. And here we need for the new students, and then we are going to put here the reference, and the reference is the index number / the year of KCSE, and then we'll click on generate letter of offer. And here the student has been placed in this university for Bachelor of Commerce, and we can be able now to download the admission letter, and here is the admission letter. And apart from that, you can be now able to download other forms that you need to have during the admission day, and all of them have been placed here. So all you need to do is to click on the link, and that link will open a PDF that you can either print or download, and then you are going to fill the forms and you will submit the forms during registration day. And so you will download all of them. And by the way, down here we have a link that you can be able to download all the documents at once. So you can also just use that link to download that in a zipped file, and then you'll unzip the folder, and after that you can print the very documents that you need to submit during registration. And so guys, it's as easy as that for those who are joining in Mount Kenya University. There are some people who are requesting for me to do the one for Quer and other universities. I may not be able to do all the universities, but for those that I can, I will do. But the process is the same, and so that should not stress you. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be pushed to more people who are searching for this topic. And if you like my general content, please feel very free to subscribe with notifications on so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click this side of the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.